Ambiguous cases. Now in these set of videos, we'll consider a few cases which are ambiguous. We are not certain whether the given conditions will make a triangle or will not make a triangle, or at times make two triangles. Question before us is, solve triangle ABC if angle A equals to 52 degrees, side A is 7.2 centimeters and B is 9.6 centimeters. When we say solve triangle ABC, we mean find all the angles and all the sides. Okay. So let's first construct a rough sketch of a triangle which could be triangle ABC. So you're talking about angle A as 52 degrees. So let us say that makes an angle of 52 degrees, right? So let's assume here that angle here is 52 degrees, correct? Now when we have to construct this kind of a triangle, so what we will do is we'll have 52 degrees here and side A means side opposite to vertex A. So let's say this is the vertex A, 52 degrees. Side A of 7.2 will be kind of on this side, right? So that is this side which we are considering, side A. And side A is given to us as 7.2. So this is side A, which is equals to 7.2 centimeters. Side B is 9.6. Let me call this vertex as B. And in that case, side opposite to B will be 9.6. So it's 9.6 centimeter. Now, if this triangle is formed, we need to find what is angle C and what is the side C, right? So these are the two things along with angle B which we have to find. And once we find all that, we say we have solved the triangle. Okay. Now, think like this. If this triangle, if this side A forms a right angle triangle, in that case, what should be the height of the triangle? That is what we should consider first. Now, consider this right triangle. In this right triangle, as you can see, the height should be, let me call this point as D, should be equals to 9.6 sine of 52. 9.6 is actually the side B, right? So let's find what CD should be. So CD in this case will be 9.6 sine of 52. Right, let's calculate how much it is. So it is 9.6 times sine of 52 degrees. That gives us 7.564. So this is equals to 7.564. Now you can see side CD is 7.564, whereas side opposite to A is given to us as 7.2, which is actually shorter, right? Which is not even 7.564. So that means if I draw this side, then it will be like 7.2 will be kind of short, right? Cannot come up to this, maybe up to here, but it cannot complete the whole triangle, right? So if I drew 7.2, I'm left with an open third side, so I'm not able to form a triangle, right? So we say, well, in this condition, since A is actually less than 7.564, we cannot form a triangle, right? So triangle is not possible, so we cannot, so no triangle can be made in this particular case. So what you notice here is that if the given side opposite to the given angle, side given opposite to the angle, is less than B sine of angle A, in that case you cannot form a triangle. So in a way we get three conditions from here. In general, if we consider triangle ABC, and then we will say that if A is equals to B of sine A, in that case we'll form one triangle which will be a right triangle, right? So in that case we get one right triangle. In case B is greater than B sine A, I mean A is greater than B sine A, in that case what happens? If the side would have been greater than CD, then we could have got two triangles. Do you see that? Then we could get two triangles, right? But in this case, we saw that A is less than B sine A, right? So in this case, there is no triangle formed. So when we are considering ambiguous cases, we basically check the value of b sine A with respect to A. And if it is equal, then we say one triangle is formed. If it is greater than, we are looking for a solution of two triangles. And when it is less than, then no triangle is formed, as in this case. Also remember, we are always checking for ambiguous cases when we are given side, side, and angle, right? So this is always being checked when we are given side, side, and angle. So that is the only case when we should be considering ambiguous case, right? And in this case, we have angle given as acute angle. So for an acute angle, let me write here, acute angle, we have these three conditions possible. So we can, just from the value of b sine A and A, we can figure out what condition it follows, right? Well, in this particular case, we can't form a triangle, so we cannot calculate or solve for the triangle. I hope you understand. I took this time to actually explain you the concept, since I knew that we are not able to solve this triangle, so I better explain the concept. And as we move forward, we'll consider the cases where we'll get one triangle, two triangles, and the other cases which could be ambiguous. Thank you.